welcome to a new video. I'm Izzy or Limne and I mainly make videos about K-pop and art, and today I have a really excited video. I got from my friend Emily the stayc So Bad album for my birthday, and I thought, okay, I will just order the other two albums myself, so yay. And I know I have been downsizing a lot the last months, but yeah, I just wanted to make some space and give stayc some love by buying their albums. I don't know, I've been listening to their music so much, and also I collect 3 members for Stray Kids and 3 members for ITZY, 1 member for the boys, and I collected Soojin from G-Idol, but obviously I stopped collecting her or she had to leave the group. So the thing I downsized on was just buying all the other random albums that I don't really collect, as in collect photocards for. But yeah, I don't know, I was thinking maybe I just want to collect one girl again, so we will see. I don't know if I'm gonna collect a member, but at least I will have their albums. It also depends on who I'm gonna pull, because my bias in stayc is probably Yoon, but I don't know, I like all the members, so cute and really talented, so yeah. Anyways, without further ado, let's just open the box. Oh my god. Oh my god, I actually can't believe I'm holding these albums. I'm so excited. I haven't been this excited for like an unboxing, you know? I am so excited to unbox these albums. Oh my god. Like, if I'm this excited and like this happy, then I know it's a good choice. I don't know. Oh, because lately with buying albums, I have been just buying albums for the people I collect, so no other random albums. And I used to do that a lot before, but yeah, I stopped doing that obviously. But with this, I am so excited. I don't know, like with Stray Kids, ITZY and the boys, they had like a lot of comebacks and limited albums coming out all at the same time, so yeah, that was a bit frustrating and stressful, I'm not gonna lie. So buying those albums was more like, oh my god, I have to buy them because they just came out with a comeback, but that group also came out, you know? It wasn't really spread out. So because those albums and all those limited extra versions all came out around the same time, the excitement or enjoyment for those albums was a bit less than, yeah, they probably, I don't know, if you collect, you probably know what I'm talking about. But yeah, with stayc, I don't know, like again, I haven't been this excited for just unboxing albums, so yay. But yeah, we'll start with So Bad. So this is the album I got from my friend Emily for my birthday. Yeah, So Bad, it's literally a bop. I still listen to it, and by the way, I also like all of stayc's B-sides. They're so good. I haven't really watched unboxings for these albums because I always had in my mind I will buy these albums, I think. I don't know. Oh, cute. My favorite color. So I guess the inclusions are over here. Let me just try to flip everything. Okay, great. Okay, let's do a little flip through. I love her hair. first I thought my bias was gonna be J, I think, but oh, I think it's either Yoon or Aisha. But all the members are so cute. Stacy, girls, it's going down. She's literally a little doll, so cute. She says, give Stacy a lot of love. She says it as well. Also give Stacy a lot of love. She just says, I love you. Just reading the last sentence. Thank you and love you. I really miss you, she says. Also give Stacy a lot of love. Cute! Okay. Then let's look at the inclusions. I'm just gonna grab the first thing, which is the postcard. Oh, it's a good one, okay. Thought it was gonna be member, but I guess that's only for the other 2 albums. Or what is this? Oh, is it the scent? Wait, I need to smell. Oof. Teen Fresh. Oh, that's Stacy official scent. Cool. Then let's look at the film strip. Adorable. And the 2 stickers. Okay, so for this album I see there are 2 photo cards, so just gonna grab this one. Cute, we got Xian. And she says, let's be happy to let's also be happy together? Question mark. I haven't studied Korean in over half year, so, and before that I only studied a half year as well, so yeah. But I will get back to studying Korean. Cute. Then we have one more photo card for this first album, and it is why did I have to think? I was like, wait, who's that? But it's Sumin, obviously. I didn't recognize it at the start without her bangs, but oh, she said ta-chan, right? 7 means. As in tada, bone, bio. Oh, I know this is like not. This Korean is like really easy, and also there's English, but I'm bad. I don't know. Oh, huh? This photo card is like square and this one's round. Cute. Okay, so that's for the first album. Now let's get into ASAP. So this is the album I got more into Stacy, and this is also their like thing that went viral on TikTok, I believe. The album is adorable. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, look how cute. I don't know. Why is there? Go away. Yes. Oh my god, the colors, they pop. Oh my god, I saw the name. That was... Okay. Oh my god, please normalize groups doing one version for the album. Because I don't know, it's just simple. Look how cute and quirky this is. Oh, I love the graphic design. They always come with the most cute hairstyles, like, I'm jealous. Stayc girls, it's going down. You stole my heart. Yeah, I like other B-sides, especially on the Stereotype album. Oh, oops. Adorable. Cute. Okay, let's look at the inclusions. What is this? Set up Teen Fresh. Okay. Oh yeah, it's the same scent. It's kind of cool that they have a official scent for the group. I don't know. I know Weekly did one as well, but this is their official scent or something. Then the sticker sheets with their names and Stacy ASAP. What's your favorite Stacy title track? I think for me it is Stereotype, but maybe because it's the newest, I don't know. For the postcard we got Zayn. Cute. I don't really collect bigger items, but look how cute it all looks. Okay. Oh, does this album only have one photo card? No. Because I already saw the name when I opened the album. It's Zayn again, so we got her postcard and her photo card. Okay. Cute. Oh, actually, I remember, maybe I thought Zayn was gonna be my bias. I don't know. But look at her cute set. Oh, I'm sad they only did like one photo card for this album. So that means Stereotype also only has one photo card? Huh. We'll see. This album came in 2 versions and I just got one. I mean, sometimes I like a slipcover, sometimes I don't, but their previous albums were so cute, so I wish they continued with those, but it's okay. Also a bit unsure why their faces are cut off. Is that supposed to be? What? Huh? I saw a postcard. But if, seriously, is this... I'm so confused. Okay, let's see two photo cards in here. Then let's just look at the photo book first, okay? Let me get this out of the way. Okay. iconic picture, iconic era, loving the plates, loving the eye makeup. Oh, by the way, on my art Instagram, I am drawing each stayc member in this era. Today, when I filmed this, oh my god, the doorbell. Okay, that was really weird, like my doorbell rang, as you could hear in the video, and I opened the door like downstairs, the apartment complex thingy, but there was no, like I heard the door opening though, but then there was no one coming to my door, and I also went downstairs and there was no one, so I'm a bit confused, but it's whatever. Can't remember where I was. Oh yeah, actually I do, I was here. I don't know what I was saying honestly, but yeah, loving this concept and styling, and the song's adorable as well. Iconic hair. I know she has a photo card with this hairstyle, it's so cute. But yeah, I'm not pulling my biases yet, so I don't know if I will collect them or just keep the cards, honestly. We'll see. I don't know how hard it is to trade for stayc. Iconic. Yeah, these B-sides are so good. I love them. Then I got a poster, which is obviously Sheehan. Love the buns in her hair, with the hair bows. Then I saw there was this photo. Oh, it's literally a photo. It's Aisha. The first mini album. Yeah. And then if we open this, there's a CD plate, and I can already see. Okay, guys. Scratch card. I don't want to scratch this. What's gonna happen? Is this the Teen Fresh scent again? It's cool that they added the braille thingy. Yeah, Teen Fresh. They need to remind us that they have an official scent, you know. Yep, it's still the same. They can even make beauty or like bath products, perfumes for this, if they want to. Okay, let's look at the photo cards. Just gonna grab one. Oh, I saw. I always ruin it for myself. It's Aisha, and the card has a little damage here, or I don't know. Cute. Yeah, the more I realize now, I think I really want to have Yoon cards, but oh cute, look at her. It's zoom in. Yeah, I recognize her more with the bangs, because obviously in this era I really got into stayc, like learning their names and stuff, so yeah. And the CD plates, which I want to put in my CD player. I got this Crazy in Love in there, but I don't know which album it is, because obviously they have like 10,000 versions. Okay, I got everything in frame here, so that was my big stayc unboxing. Oh my god, this was so cute. And yeah, Like again, I don't know if I'm actually gonna collect one member, which is probably gonna be Yoon, but I'll see. For now, I'm happy that I own these albums, and yeah. My question for you is, what's your favorite stayc title track, favorite stayc B-side, and who's your stayc bias or bias wrecker, and do you collect stayc? That's a lot of questions, but if you could only answer one, I'm already happy to read that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a nice day or night wherever you live. And please don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe if you want to. You don't have to. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.